First, introduction and background of study. First, healthy food purchasing is important due to rising lifestyle disease, and consumers are more aware of the link between diet and health. Number 3, purchasing trend include frequency spending and food type choosing. And 4, trend differ based on social, economic, and geographical factor. And number 5, urban land less urbancy areas show different purchasing behavior, and less access and affordability influence food choice. Okay, next we go to overview of healthy food purchasing trend. Okay, first refer to buying food that support good healthily, and example include fruit, vegetable, and low fat product. And next, influenced by pricing, income, stability, and knowledge. And culture habit also affect purchasing decision. And busy lifestyle encourage convenience food choice, and last, higher income increase willingness to buy healthy food. First, content in the study area. To Kuala Lumpur, first, highly urbanized with modern retail accessibility. Number 2, wide availability of healthy food options. And number 3, higher household income and health awareness. And last, strong exposure to health champions and media. To Besut, first, less urbanized with limited food choice. Number 2, depend on traditional market and small shop. Number 3, lower income and strong culture food preference. And last, sustainable for comparison with urban area. Okay, next, problem segment. Research issue. First, unhealthy food consumption remain common in Malaysia. Number 2, cheaper and convenient food is often preferred. Number 3, limited access to healthy food affect purchasing trend. Number 4, issue is more serious in less urbanized area. And number 5, few study compare urban and rural purchasing trend. And last, lack of data limit effective decision making. Next, justification of the study. First, identifying different health improves healthy strategy. And number 2, prevent effective policy and program. Number 3, provide an evidence on key influencing factor. And last, useful and policy markers and healthy authorities. For the next research question. Number 1, what are the difference in healthy food purchasing trend? And number 2, comparison between Besut and Kuala Lumpur. And number 3, how do lifestyle and culture shape of choice? And number 4, different across geographical area. Next, research objective. First, general objective to compare healthy food purchasing trend and between Besut and Kuala Lumpur consumer. And next, a specific objective to examine the level of healthy food purchasing. Number 2, to analyze the effect of price and stability. Number 3, to assess the role of knowledge and awareness. And the last, to identify income and lifestyle influence. For the last, relevant and important of the research, significant to academic, contribute to research on consumer food behavior. And next, focus on urban and less urbanized comparison. Okay, and significance to stakeholder. First, help policy market and design target program, and support effective healthy promotion strategy.
Okay, next we go to 2.1, overview of healthy food purchasing trend. First, healthy food purchasing refer to consumer consistent selecting food that support health and disease preservation. Second, increasing concern over lifestyle related disease that has had hit interest in healthier food choice. Next, purchasing behavior is influenced by individual awareness, sustainable concern, and food environment. Lastly, despite positive attitude, actual purchasing remain inconsistent due to economic and structural constraints. Okay, next we go to 2.2, determine of healthy food purchasing behavior. The review focus on the understanding consumer purchasing trend and the main factor affecting healthy food purchasing decision. Number one, price. High cost of healthy food reduce purchase frequency. Number two, feasibility. Availability and proximity influence purchasing decision. Number three, knowledge and awareness. Nutrition knowledge increase intention but not always behavior. Number four, household income. Higher income enable healthier food choice. And lastly, number five, culture and lifestyle factor tradition and time constraint shape food selection.
So next 3.1 conceptual framework. First, explain factor influencing healthy food purchasing trend. Second, compare purchasing trend between Besut and Kuala Lumpur. And third, it show the relationship between independent and dependent variable. Next, 3.1.1 variable identification overview. Based on the conceptual framework, the variable in the research are as follow. Independent variable. First, income level. Second, in the educational level. Third, health awareness. Fourth, access to healthy food. And lastly, price of healthy food. And then dependent variable, healthy food buying trend. Measure through the frequency of purchase, type of healthy food, and amount spent on healthy food. 3.1.2 Propose relationship between variable. First, income level, education, health awareness, availability, and price influencing healthy food demand. Third, place of residency, Besut versus Kuala Lumpur actually as comparative factor. Third, urban consumer, Kuala Lumpur have better access to healthy food. Next, rural consumer, Besut have more limited access. And lastly, relationship between independent variable and purchasing trend differ between location. 3.2 Research Hypothesis. 3.2.1 Development of Research Hypothesis. First, research hypotheses are developed based on the conceptual framework. And hypothesis examine the influence of socio-economic and other factors. And third, focus on healthy food purchasing behavior. And lastly, comparison between two geographical location. So lastly, 3.2.2 Summary of Hypothesis. RP1, trends in healthy food buying are not alike for both consumer in Besut those in Kuala Lumpur. RP2, income level affect consumer purchasing habit for healthy food product. RP3, the educational level has an impact on trend related to healthy food purchasing. RP4, healthy awareness is a determining factor in the trend of healthy food purchase. RP5, availability of healthy food affect the trend of buying healthy food. And lastly, RP6, the price of healthy food affect buying behavior.
Next, we go to chapter 4, research design and methodology. For the 4.1, research design and sampling, for the research design, quantitative research design, and we using cross-sectional study and cooperative research design, Besut versus Kuala Lumpur. For the research approach, this study adopt a deductive research approach. The approach begins with existing theoretical and empirical finding on healthy food purchasing behavior. Key enable price accessibility, knowledge, income, culture, and lifestyle are identified from peer literature. For the last, research hypotheses are developed based on established consumer behavior theories. For the sampling overview, we use the target population adult involved in household food purchasing. For the sample size, we have a 200 respondents. Next, we go to data collection and research instrument question. For the point 1, non-probability convenient sampling technique. For the point 2, structure questionnaire as premier research instrument. For the point 3, we use a 5-point Likert scale used for the variable measurement. For the lastly, ethical standard and reliability procedure strictly apply. And we go to question section dependent and independent variable. For the independent, we use a healthy food purchasing trend. And for the independent variable section, for the section 1 price, and the section 2 accessibility, and for section 3 knowledge, and for section 4 income, and the last section is cultural lifestyle. For the next 4.3 sample size, structure questionnaire are administered to capture respondent demographic profile and their purchasing behavior related to healthy food. For the one place, Besut people, we have the 100 respondent, and the Kuala Lumpur people we have 100 respondent. Okay, for 4.4, our duration data collection is for the week 1, first, finalization of questionnaire. Number 2, pilot testing and improvement of survey item. For the 3, preparation for data collection. And next we go to week 2, distribution of questionnaire in Kuala Lumpur. Next we collection of response from urban respondent. And then we go monitoring response rates. And for the week 3, distribution of questionnaire in Besut. And then we go to collection of response from less urbanized respondent, and we go to ensuring balanced sample size. And the week last is week 4. We follow up with a respondent, and then we go collection of incomplete or pending response, and the lastly, final checking and organization of collection data.
Okay, next, 5.0, implication and contribution to knowledge. Implication, number 1, healthy food purchasing behavior differ between rural Besut and urban Kuala Lumpur areas. Number 2, purchasing decisions are influenced by geography, location, socio-economic status, access to food outlet, cultural norms, and the last one, lifestyle factor. Number 3, healthy food choice are not determined solely by nutrition awareness, but also by convenience, affordability, and product availability. Okay, next, contribution to knowledge. Number 1, provide empirical evidence on the purchase of healthy food products such as oat and healthy drinks. Number 2, highlight the importance of contextual and environmental factor in consumer behavior theories. And the last one, enhances understanding of rural urban difference in healthy food purchasing behavior. 5.1 practical implication. Number 1, provide guidance for food and retail industry to tailor marketing, pricing, and product offering. Number 2, highlight difference in healthy food need between rural and urban consumer. Number 3, rural strategy should focus on improving access and affordability of healthy foods. Number 4, urban strategy should emphasize convenience, variety, and lifestyle based on promotion. The last one, support policy market and community organization in designer target nutrition intervention. 5.2 theoretical implication. Number 1, enhances understanding of healthy food consumer behavior by considering regional and contextual factors. Number 2, show how socio-economic, cultural and environmental factors influence food choice. Number 3, strength theory like the theory of linear behavior of health belief model. And the last one, provide as a basic for features research and refinement of consumer behavior model.